The handstand is an astounding skill to show off to your friends and family that does not require strength. For that reason, it is a great arsenal in your toolkit for this summer. I've showed you the wall handstand, but now we're ready to learn how to actually walk in handstand. In this video, if you're someone who loves to learn new tricks and conquer challenges, I will show you how to handstand walking in 5 easy steps. Then, you will also learn how to fall properly if needed, how to build confidence in your skill through progression, and as well as secret tips so you can nail this in the shortest amount of time possible with great proficiency.
Okay, let's go.
Prior to executing any of these movements, make sure you are warmed up like so.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here is the 5 steps procedure. Step 1. The sprint position. Get into a sprint position with butt elevated and arms straight, about shoulder width apart. Step 2. The kick. Push the ground with the bent leg and kick the straight leg up in the air. Step 3. The straight position. Bring your legs as straight as possible in the air to be perpendicular to the ground. Step 4. The walking position. Bend your legs so the weight drags you forward. Step 5. The momentum. Follow the momentum that you created and try to keep balance as long as possible. If you ever feel like failing or falling, try to land on your feet. If it's not possible, then just follow the falling momentum and cut it into a forward roll. This move is actually quite hard to learn and it wouldn't be worth it otherwise. But rest assured, it is not about strength, it is about balance, technique, and perseverance. Keep hammering it until you are good at it. If you think you're not ready yet to learn this skill, don't worry, I've got you covered. I recommend doing the handstands basics: push-ups, shoulder touch in push-up position, headstand, and finally, wall handstand. Practice this until it becomes easy and try the step-by-step procedure once again. And now for the secret tips. If you can't generate enough speed to bring your legs up all the way to the bent position, shortcut the 5 steps by starting from a standing position. This will give you a speed momentum and it will make you start walking rapidly.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
If you want to look more graceful in your execution, then start from a frog stance position. This will make you look professional since it is even harder to do it from there and stay in control. Try different surfaces like snow, grass, roads to really get accustomed to different textures. This will develop your versatility.
Yes!
The shirtless trick. Do it shirtless. Everyone knows we're stronger shirtless. The handstand walking is learnable by everyone and not only gymnasts. Repeat the 5-step procedure until you're good, or go through the basic to get comfortable being inverted. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see even more content like this one. For now, sun's out, guns out, peace out!